Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about AWS Application Discovery Service. It's a service that helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. Planning data center migrations can involve thousands of workloads that are often deeply interdependent. Server utilization data and dependency mapping are important early first steps in the migration process. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, and use cases for AWS Application Discovery Service. We'll also talk about how AWS Application Discovery Service works during the planning for data center migrations to the AWS cloud. Let's get started. AWS Application Discovery Service helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. Planning data center migrations can involve thousands of workloads that are often deeply interdependent. Server utilization data and dependency mapping are important early first steps in the migration process. AWS Application Discovery Service collects and presents configuration, uses, and behavior data from your servers to help you better understand your workloads. The collected data is retained in encrypted format in an AWS Application Discovery Service data store. You can export this data as a CSV file and use it to estimate the total cost of ownership of running on AWS and to plan your migration to AWS. In addition, this data is also available in AWS Migration Hub, where you can migrate the discovered servers and track their progress as they get migrated to the AWS cloud. Now let's talk about the benefits of AWS Application Discovery Service. AWS Application Discovery Service enables you to discover on-premises server inventory and behavior to plan cloud migrations. As a result, it offers the following benefits for an organization. Create detailed migration plan, engage AWS experts to migrate, integrate migration services, and secure architectural data. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of AWS Application Discovery Service. Create detailed migration plan. AWS Application Discovery Service helps you gather configuration, performance, and transport control protocol TCP connection data for both servers and databases. As a result, you can create a detailed migration plan. Engage AWS experts to migrate. You can gain a comprehensive snapshot of on-premises inventory using the collected configuration, performance, and TCP connection data for both servers and databases. As a result, you can work with AWS experts and accelerate the migration journey. Integrate migration services. AWS offers a number of migration services targeting various migration areas. You can integrate discovery data with other AWS services such as AWS Migration Hub and AWS DMS Fleet Advisor to support multiple migration tasks. Secure architectural data. Security is at the heart of the design of AWS Cloud. You can protect collected data by encrypting it in transit to AWS and at rest within the data store provided by the AWS Application Discovery Service. Now let's talk about the use cases for AWS Application Discovery Service. AWS Application Discovery Service helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. It collects and presents configuration, uses, and behavior data from your servers to help you better understand your workloads. As a result, it supports the following use cases, which cover the needs of a broad spectrum of enterprise customers: discover on-premises server and database inventory, map network communication patterns, and mobilize for migration. Let's elaborate each of these use cases for AWS Application Discovery Service. Discover on-premises server and database inventory. You can conduct inventory discovery to help accelerate migration by gathering server and database configuration information, operating system version history, and key resource allocation details. Map network communication patterns. You can examine the connections between applications and servers to uncover unknown servers, better understand dependencies, and establish groups of moving. Mobilize for migration. You can gather utilization data to generate right-sized Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 instances and plan for migration in Migration Hub or in AWS Database Migration Service. Excellent. Now let's talk about how AWS Application Discovery Service works. The AWS Application Discovery Service helps you plan cloud migration projects by gathering information about your on-premises data centers. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Application Discovery Service and integration with other AWS services. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how AWS Application Discovery Service works in an application environment. In conclusion, AWS Application Discovery Service helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. Use AWS Application Discovery Service and discover on-premises server inventory and behavior to plan cloud migrations to the AWS cloud. That's all about AWS Application Discovery Service. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.